Hey makeup lovers! Welcome back to Counselcraft. Today, I'm going to show you how to master the e-girl makeup trend in minutes. If you're all about those trendy, social media-inspired looks, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, flawless base with freckles. Start with a hydrating primer to get that smooth canvas. Now grab a lightweight or dewy foundation and apply it all over for a fresh, natural look. Use a concealer to brighten up those under eyes and cover any imperfections. Lightly set everything with a translucent powder, but don't overdo it. We want that dewy glow to shine through. Okay, now for the fun part, faux freckles. Take a brow pen, freckle pen, or a light brown eyeliner and dot small freckles across your nose and cheeks. Tap gently with your fingers to blend them in naturally. Next, let's move on to playful eyeshadow. Prime your eyelids with an eyeshadow base or some concealer. Go for pink, peach, or pastel shades on the lids. Blend them softly for that dreamy effect we're aiming for. And don't forget to add a bit of shimmer or glitter to the inner corners for that extra sparkle. Now it's time for the signature blush look. Grab a highly pigmented pink or peach blush. Apply it generously on your cheeks and nose for that cute sun-kissed effect. Blend upwards toward your temples for a lifted look. Trust me, this step brings the whole look together. Onto the iconic winged liner. Whether you prefer a sharp or soft wing, use a black or brown liquid liner. And hey, if you're feeling a bit extra, add tiny hearts under your eyes for that true e-girl aesthetic. Why not? It's all about having fun. For the lips, you can go glossy or ombre. For a glossy look, just apply a pink or nude lip gloss. If you're going for the ombre effect, apply a darker lip shade on the inner lips and blend out with a lighter shade or gloss. Super easy, yet so impactful. And finally, the finishing touches. If you're into it, add some small face stickers, rhinestones, or glitter for that extra flair. Set everything with a dewy setting spray to keep it fresh and glowing all day long. There you have it. The perfect e-girl makeup look, done in minutes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Counselcraft, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and tell me your go-to makeup step or what you'd like to see next. Let's keep this beauty convo going. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay fabulous. Bye.